FAQs about Muhlenbergia Schreberi, my personal insights. When it comes to ornamental grasses, Muhlenbergia Schreberi is a standout for its unique appearance and low maintenance needs. Over time, I've come across several common questions about this grass. In this article, I'll share what I've learned and experienced about Muhlenbergia Schreberi. What is Muhlenbergia Schreberi? Muhlenbergia Schreberi, also known as Nimblewill, is a species of ornamental grass native to the Americas. It belongs to the Muhlenbergia genus, which includes various ornamental grasses. This particular species is cherished for its delicate, airy foliage and its ability to bring a touch of elegance to gardens and landscapes. How to care for Muhlenbergia Schreberi. Caring for Muhlenbergia Schreberi is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here are some key care tips. Sunlight. This grass thrives in full sun to partial shade. It performs best when it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Well-drained soil is crucial. It tolerates various soil types, including sandy and clay soils, but it should not sit in waterlogged conditions. Watering. Once established, Muhlenbergia Schreberi is drought-tolerant. Water it regularly during the growing season, but reduce watering in the fall and winter. Ensure the soil dries out between waterings. Fertilization. It generally does not require heavy fertilization. A light application of a balanced fertilizer in the spring can encourage healthy growth. How to propagate Muhlenbergia Schreberi. Propagating Muhlenbergia Schreberi can be done through division or seed. Here's how I've done it. Division. In early spring or fall, dig up a mature plant and divide it into smaller sections. Replant these sections in well-prepared soil. This method is effective for rapidly increasing your stock of this grass. Seed. You can also propagate from seed. Sow seeds in a seed tray with a well-draining mix. Keep the soil moist and place the tray in a warm, sunny spot. Germination typically occurs within 2 to 4 weeks. What to plant with Muhlenbergia Schreberi. Muhlenbergia Schreberi pairs beautifully with other grasses and flowering perennials. Here are some of my favorite companions. Ornamental grasses. It works well with other grasses like Pennisetum or Panicum. Their varied textures and heights create a dynamic look. Perennials. Planted alongside Echinacea, Rudbeckia, or Salvia for a burst of color and contrast. Shrubs. Combine it with shrubs like Artemisia or Juniper for a structured yet soft garden design. Is Muhlenbergia Schreberi toxic? One of the great things about Muhlenbergia Schreberi is that it is non-toxic to pets and humans. You won't need to worry about it causing harm if your pets or children come into contact with it. Benefits of Muhlenbergia Schreberi. Muhlenbergia Schreberi offers several benefits. Low maintenance. Its minimal care requirements make it a low-maintenance choice for busy gardeners. Drought tolerance. It's perfect for xeriscaping in areas with low water availability. Aesthetic appeal. The grass adds a graceful, flowing texture to gardens and landscapes. Common problems with Muhlenbergia Schreberi. While Muhlenbergia Schreberi is generally resilient, it can face a few issues. Overwatering. Excess water can lead to root rot. Ensure good drainage and avoid waterlogging. Pests. Although rare, watch out for pests like aphids or spider mites. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap if necessary. Compare Muhlenbergia Schreberi with similar grasses. In comparison to other ornamental grasses, Muhlenbergia Schreberi stands out due to its fine, airy texture. Here's how it compares to a few similar species. Muhlenbergia capillaris. Often confused with Muhlenbergia Schreberi, Muhlenbergia capillaris, pink mully grass, has a more vibrant pink hue and a denser growth habit. Panicum virgatum. Switchgrass is another ornamental grass that offers similar height, but with a more upright form compared to the more open structure of Muhlenbergia Schreberi. In conclusion, Muhlenbergia Schreberi is a versatile and elegant grass that can enhance any garden with minimal effort. Whether you're adding it to a sunny border or using it in a low-water garden, it offers beauty and resilience. From my experience, it's a fantastic choice for both seasoned and beginner gardeners alike.